All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a short link for a Facebook Messenger ref URL. So if you use chatbots, you're probably familiar with Facebook Messenger ref URLs. I have several of them. I'm just going to show you one of them. For example, I'm going to create one right here. I'm using ChatFuel, and this is going to be my Facebook Messenger ref URL. So this is a URL that you should know if you use chatbots. If not, you probably want to start using chatbots in your business because they're amazing. But this link will essentially go in. This link will essentially go in and open a user up into my chatbot, and they will get this message right here. So if I want to create a short link for that in Link Wizard, then literally I can just go in and put in the ref URL. And if I want to use a custom domain, I can use a custom domain. I'm going to call this the same thing, links AFF. And then I'm just going to check this box that this is a Facebook Messenger ref URL because it is. So that's what that box is for. I'm going to check it. And I'm also going to go ahead and add a pixel here so that anybody that actually comes in to this link, I can easily create a custom audience in Facebook and retarget people who are actually coming in that are also now inside my chatbot. I can show them ads as well, okay? So now I've actually got this link right here. This ref link is what I've actually just created. And now if I want, I can just go in and go to this link here. And whenever I go to this link, it's going to take me right inside my chatbot. So it's going to redirect and take me right inside my chatbot. And I'm going to get that message that you see. Here's the main chatbot affiliate link that you should use. It's this message right here inside my chatbot. And that's how simple and easy it is for you to go in and actually create a Facebook chatbot link inside Link Wizard.